Hi, welcome to my channel. Here, Professor Carolina Borges. If you are interested in career transition, professional growth, personal growth, and soft skills, here, this beautiful channel is for you. Please, before keep watching, do not forget to like this video and also to subscribe. So let's talk about 5 red flags that you're not using LinkedIn in a very effective way. Let's get started. Number 1, you have your LinkedIn profile and you have your name, but you do not have anything written down below. That space down below your name we call as headline. And a great and strong headline must include specific keywords. What type of keywords should I put there? If you're a researcher, your specialty is in what? Genomics, genetics. I just gave you 2 examples of keywords. If you're a lawyer, what type of your specialization? You are criminal, civil, any particular field or any particularity. Use your headline wisely. It's a place where it's highly synced with who? My friend, algorithm. Like you or not, LinkedIn is a huge platform. And if you want to be seen and if you want that people find you, do not underestimate your headline. Make sure you're selecting the best keywords that translate what you really do. And when people they go for searching for a particular professional, you will be retrieved in their searches because you have the right keywords there. So do not underestimate. An observation. Let's make a parenthesis here and let's put in black and white to be more dramatic. Headline is not a place for putting quotes. I did this mistake. Oops, I did it. I must confess, I did it. I had my name and my headline when I soon started my LinkedIn profile was passionate college professor. And that was it. Passion is too vague. What? The LinkedIn algorithm is not syncing passion. I'm not the only one passionate professor in the planet. So no, I did it and I do not recommend. Let's now talk about the red flag number 2. You are too lazy or you do not believe that the essay about that space where you can type a lot of great information about you is not important. You say, I'm gonna just fill out my LinkedIn or this later, or you're just gonna write 1 or 2 sentences, again, very vague. Do not underestimate the about essay. Where should you put there? You should put there your story. You're not the essay. It's not the replication of your work experience. No, make it personal. Write in the very first person. It's a summary or an overview of your skills, any great result that you achieved during your career, and at the end, put your contact information, your email, your cell phone. Oh, but we do have this information also in other parts of LinkedIn. Yes, but do not forget, it's being connected and the text, the body text of your about section should be conversational. Now, let's move on and let's gonna talk about the 1, 2, 3, your third red flag on your LinkedIn. You assume that LinkedIn is just a resume that which is published online. I am sorry to disappoint you. Sorry. Not sorry. But LinkedIn is a social network. And by social network, we understand that there are people there connecting, interacting, linking to each other all the time. So if you just say, oh no, or if you think it's LinkedIn is merely an online resume, you should revise your concepts because this is totally wrong. And for some people, they complain, say, oh, no one reached out to me on LinkedIn. Of course, if you're not seeing as a relational opportunity, a social platform, and you're not sending any message, you haven't sent any email message, you haven't commented on any posts, forget, because your LinkedIn, if this is the case, is already forgotten. I'm sorry, but I'm bringing just the truth. Red flag number 4. If you believe that you're just writing down the name of the companies where you worked in the past or the current company organization where you are currently working at, you just put the name, the date you started, the date that you ended, and that's it. Again, a huge red flag. And a huge mistake. Why? Because you're missing the opportunity to showcase your outcomes, your results. Some people, they're gonna write down their job duties there. No, put there, try to quantify your outcomes. I'm gonna use my example. I'm a professor. Yes! Tenured professor. More than 6,000 adults, young adults, they attended my classes, my trainings, etc. So this is something that has to be there. If I created something new, example, adapting or creating new pedagogy during the time, we should write down there. And again, if you're a lawyer, how many clients have you seen so far? Your best cases. What are your best accomplishments? So instead of just listing, I'm responsible for blah, 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 I'm responsible for X, Y, and Z. No, put your results and try to quantify it. Doesn't need to be precise. If you started working at Starbucks and you say, if you're my student, you're a young professional and you're going towards a general job to a specific internship. Again, it's very different from writing cashier or attendant at Starbucks and then leaving that. Remember, your previous skills, they are really useful for the next step of your career. You are reframing them. So you can put how many customers. Example, saw approximately 500, 100 customers per day, providing excellence in customer service and blah, blah, blah. So you explain, reframe. And now let's move to our final and red flag number 5. Red flag number 5. If you believe that LinkedIn is only for corporate people, that's such an old thought and an old belief. No. Sometimes when I talk to young professionals, they, oh no, but I'm a college student. I do not need to be on LinkedIn. Yes. You do need. Or I am a consultant. I do not need to be on LinkedIn. No. Yes, you need to be there. You can find your clients there. If you're a college student, you can find your next internship opportunity. You can find your next job. You can improve your social network. You can improve real and important contacts that might be very helpful when you're going to be climbing the next step of your career. And for consultants, if you do freelance, be there. I know that for freelancers, you might be in other platforms like Thumbtack or Fiverr, but there also you can attach the links to your service. But do not forget that, yes, think twice and rethink again and again. Make sure if you are not on LinkedIn yet, that's the time. And I want to see that after this video right now, your first action, your first move is going back to your profile if you have one and improve the sections I'm talking here. If you still do not have one, what are you waiting for? If you do not have one yet, what are you waiting for? I really hope that this video helped you to see LinkedIn from a different lenses. Please let me know if you have any questions. We're gonna have more videos talking about each particular section of LinkedIn and how to transform your profile into a rock star one. I'll see you in my next video. Please do not forget to like this video, to subscribe, and why not to send to a friend. He or she, I guarantee that she will love it because it's for life, it's for your career, and it's for your future. Bye-bye.